Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a really short and quick tutorial on how I do ombre nails using my dip powder. So first I'm taking my base coat and making a nice thin and even layer, and then pouring my base polish on, which is in the color honeymoon, and then I'm going back over top of it with my base coat again and pouring the powder on top once again. Now if you had nails actually on, you would just dip your finger in the powder, but since I'm doing it on the stand, I'm just pouring it on top. So now I'm just doing one more coat of that base coat, and then now I'm just going to dip it into my orange powder in the color Sunseeker, and I'm only putting it on halfway, and I didn't show you guys, but I also pour the honeymoon color back on top just to make it all even. So now I'm going in with the activator, and I'm just going to coat the entire nail with that. This just seals in the powder and gives it that nice smooth matte finish. And then after this, you would file it down and shape it to your liking. I didn't show it because it's hard to do it on the stand. And then last but not least, I'm going in with my top coat, and you just want to brush a nice even layer on there, and you want to move kind of quick because the brush tends to dry out a little bit. But once you do your even coat, it should take 1 minute to dry, and then that's pretty much it. So now you have a nice pretty ombre nail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.